Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of 13th and 14th problems if these problems come in the form of MCQs. These are from exercise 6.3 from NCERT from Triangles chapter class 10. This is 13th problem. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Then CA square is equal to dash. So here D is the point on the side BC of this triangle ABC, and here these two angles are equal, angle ADC. So this angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. For example, if this angle is angle 1, then this angle is also angle 1. Now you can see two triangles here, ADC, triangle ADC and triangle ABC. If you observe here, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC in these two triangles, and angle C is common in these two triangles. So by AA similarity criteria, triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA, because if you write 1, 2 and angle B, then here also 1, 2 and angle A. So triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA. Once these two triangles are similar, you can equal the corresponding sides ratio. So AC by DC is equal to CB by CA. So if you cross multiply here AC into CA, you can write AC as CA. So CA into CA is equal to CB into CD, DC or CD. So CA square is equal to CB into CD. If you observe here, CA is common side of these two triangles. This is 14th problem. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. So here triangle ABC is similar to dash. So here there are two triangles ABC and PQR, and AD is the median of this triangle and PM is the median of this triangle. We know that median means it divides this side into two equal parts. Similarly here also, and here given these sides are proportional to these sides, so AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is given here. Now by using this we cannot similar these two triangles, so you have to construct by extending this line AD median up to here. Here AD is equal to DE and join BE and CE, then you will get a quadrilateral like this ABEC, and here in this quadrilateral these are diagonals. So if you observe, these diagonals bisect each other because AD is equal to DE and BD is equal to DC, because this is a median, so BD is equal to DC. So diagonals bisect each other, so we can say that ABEC is a parallelogram, and we know that in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So AC is equal to BE. Similarly, you can construct here also. So here AC is equal to BE. You can write in this AB by PQ is equal to, instead of AC you can write BE, because AC is equal to BE by, here PR is equal to QS. See here, this is also a parallelogram. So PR is equal to QS, that is equal to AD you can write as 2AD by 2PM. 2AD by 2PM. Then AB by PQ is equal to BE by QS is equal to, here 2AD. 2AD is, this is twice of AD, that is AE. So AE by, here also PM, twice of PM is PS. So AE by PS. So here AB by PQ is equal to BE by QS is equal to AE by PS. So if you observe, these three sides, corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we can see the triangle ABE. ABE is similar to triangle PQS. These two triangles are similar by SSS similarity criteria. Once these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles of these two triangles are equal. So we can write like this, ABE and PQS. Here angle BAE is equal to angle QPS. See here, this is angle BAE is equal to angle QPS. So these two angles are equal, and we can write from this AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So here these two sides, corresponding sides ratios are equal, including these angles are also equal. So we can say that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. These two triangles are similar by SAS criteria, similarity criteria. So now these two triangles are similar. So we can equal the corresponding angles in these two triangles. So here angle B is equal to angle Q. See here, angle B is equal to angle Q, And from these two triangles we can write the corresponding sides ratios are equal. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, that is equal to 2BD by 2QM, that is equal to twice of BD is BC. So BC by twice of QM is QR. So in these two triangles, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, see here, and angle B is equal to angle Q. So corresponding sides to corresponding sides ratios are equal, including these two angles are equal. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria.